Very good evening to all. My name is Shitij from SMC Global. The Indian benchmark index opened on a higher note today, tracking the firm global markets. But in the later session, index witnessed some profit booking at the higher levels and wiped off all of its gains to end the day in a negative territory. The gains were seen after the US Central Bank left interest rates unchanged at the end of its two-day policy meet, but remains on path of a possible December hike as it cited the solid rate of growth. This lifted the Asian markets, which in turn made the Sensex firm up. Today, the healthcare, consumer durables, IT, oil and gas, realty, and banking indices made gains in the early trading session. In the pharma sector, the shares of Divis Laboratories jumped nearly 20% today after the US drug regulator said that it will lift an import alert on its Visakhapatnam unit. In the other stocks, the shares of JSW Energy fell nearly 3% in today's session after the weak operational performance in Q2. The operating income was down by 8.3% and the EBITDA margin was down by 390 basis points at 43.1%. Moreover, today the State Bank of India has reduced the interest rates for the retail loans in order to boost the lending. The bank has cut the interest rate on home loans by 5 basis points to 8.3% per annum, which is the lowest rate for the home loans in the market. The new rate is effective from the 1st November. Now, moving forward, we continue to maintain our positive stance and expect the Nifty to head towards 10,600 levels in coming sessions, as it is measuring the implication of the bullish double bottom formation formed during the last 3 months of consolidation. On downside, Nifty has major support at 10,250 followed by 10,200 spot levels. As far Bank Nifty is concerned, we believe that the minor pullback in the prices will keep coming in short term, but as far we are maintaining about 25,000 to 24,800 spot levels, the trend will support for upside in the prices. In the derivative segment, for November series, now 10,000 and 10,200 put strike holds with a maximum open interest with shares more than 53 lakh and 51 lakh respectively. While on the upper band, 10,500 call strike holds with a maximum open interest with more than 32 lakh shares. Moving forward, once again we believe that the Bank Nifty has just started its journey and tested its all-time highs, and there is more room for the index to move towards its new milestones in the coming sessions. Thank you so much for the more updates. Watch out for this space. Thanks.